So guys, when you're camping in Australia in the winter, it is cold. The nights are really freezing. You can see all my layers on me. I have the rab jacket, I have the woolly hat, I have layers on, sleeping bag, etc. Plus tonight I have the panniers here at the head of the tent to just stop. There's a little breeze and the breeze is cold. And you can hear there's traffic outside. I'm only 212 miles from Sydney. So from tomorrow on, the traffic's going to increase. I had empty roads today, but I sort of joined other roads, so it's going to get busier. But yeah, in the winter, you have no mozzies, you have no snakes, you have no flies, but at night time, it is freezing. So this is how I start off a day. I'm about to take off a couple of layers actually, but woolly hat. Just taking off gloves, which I never ever wear at home. Neck cowl, thermals, and thermal leggings, which are over my shorts now. I'm going to take off, but yeah, you can see my breath still. Look, it's feckin' cold, lads.